Hi guys, back again with another video. Now this video is going to be a sound test video for the Crossbeats Elektra. Now we're going to use this while we are riding the bike. We're going to go to the mall. We're going to go into traffic, a lot of places where there are a lot of people, a lot of traffic sound, a lot of honking, a lot of everything. So we'll be going through all that and then we will see how much of my sound you'll be able to hear and how much of the background sound comes in. So there are a lot of features sound-wise on this earphone. So we'll be talking about that after the test videos. So let's go ahead, start with the bike test. So right now I'm going to ride the bike without a helmet, but I'm doing that in the colony, inside my colony. So it's safe here, but I do not ride bike without a helmet. So please do not do that. So let's go ahead, start the bike. Now I ride a Royal Enfield. Now the silencer is the original one. I had the other one before. That's the kind of sound that you get when you ride. Now, a lot of actually fall off or not that fall. So hopefully it's going to be good for you. So now let's go ahead and wear a helmet. My hair is really looking funny. I need a helmet. Okay, so now we are riding the bike with a helmet on and the visor open. That simulates open face helmet. Now, in this scenario, you won't get a lot of wind noise because the earphone, the mic is on the earphone, which is over here inside. So the wind is not hitting it directly. So hopefully you can hear me well. Now let's go ahead and close the helmet and see what kind of sound you get. Now, once you close the helmet, there is an echo created in the helmet itself. So whatever I'm saying will echo back. So most of the time, this is a good scenario for mics which are inside. So hopefully you can hear me well too. Now let's go to the mall, walk around in the mall and then see how much can you hear me there. And then we'll be going to the traffic. We'll be crossing the road and all and then seeing how much can you hear me there now. Okay, so we're doing the mall test now, so I'm walking in the mall to so hopefully you can hear me well. Now, generally, most of the vehicles, they don't really have any issues with noise in the situation. So let's go ahead and do a traffic test. Let's go out and let's see how traffic, a lot of honking. Okay, so we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I'm standing next to a busy road, a lot of traffic, a lot of vehicles over here. So hopefully you can hear me well. Now the entire sound that you're hearing is from the right ear. So the left earphone mic is not used. So hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so we're doing the water sound test now. So I'm standing next to 70 water fountains. So there's a lot of water sounds. So hopefully you can hear me well. Now, generally, water sound is not a big problem for a lot of people, but in rainy areas or in places where there's a lot of water sound, some people have difficulties with it. So, generally, I don't do this test, but since I'm in Pune, I'm doing this test. Okay, so you've seen the video. So basically this is an average performer. So there are some things which it actually does pretty good and some things which it does not do. Actually, it was actually pretty bad in those scenarios. So let's talk about it. So if you are riding a bike with a helmet and this is under it, then the sound is going to be excellent. There was no problem with it, no traffic sound, nothing came up in it. All the honks and all the horn, all the cars, all the vehicle sound, everything was normal inside the helmet, and you were able to hear me pretty well. But the same scenario where you're not wearing a helmet, there's going to be a lot of background sound that it will pick up. Wind noise is a big issue for this because there's no noise, there's no second mic for noise cancellation, and anyways noise cancellation does not help with wind noise reduction. For wind noise reduction, most of them have a mesh or
foam padding or something like that built into it. So there are different earphones that have that. I have tested them and I have put my mic test videos on my channel, so you can see that. Now, so not good with wind sound, not good with the traffic sound. A lot of the sharp sounds will come in. Water sound also, I felt that there was a lot of water sound. It was taking in too much of the water sound. So basically the mic on this takes in a lot of the sharp sound, which is not good for calling. So if I mean, you won't realize it, but the other person on the other end will be getting a lot of sharp sound. So if anyone honks behind you or any of these kind of scenario comes in, there will be a lot of loud sound going to the other person, so they will be hurting their ears. So this is going to be an issue for you. If you have a helmet which is not breezy, which does not have that space here, then this is going to be a problem, because I tried it with other helmets, other sports helmet, where you have to wear it like this. You cannot use it with them at all, because this one has a very weird design. Let me show you that. So this one goes into your ear like this, and it protrudes out and stays that way. So it doesn't take the support of your ear or anything, it just pushes onto your ear canal. So that actually is a problem with any of those helmet which is actually close to your ears. So for those scenarios, if you use like a Jabra 65T, that is good for those kind of helmet, because that's flush to your ear and it stays there. This one is not flush, it's going to protrude out. So all in all, average performer. Sound quality wise, I really like the sound quality. If I listen to music on this, it's very good, and it has a feature of allowing background sound to come in. So that's where the mic is used. The second mic is used for background sound. Now let's talk about which earphone actually works for calling. So only the right one, the mic on the right one, that's used for your calling. The left one is not used for your calling at all. So in the recording, I've tried getting the left one to work, but it did not work. So the right one is the one which gives you all the sound that goes in the phone calls. Now the second one is used for I mean, there's a feature which is basically pass through, which is known as pass through. Now what I liked about this is it actually has a bassy sound inside. The speaker itself is quite bassy, and when you switch on the pass-through option, it gives a very clear 360 sound for you, so you'll be able to hear more. So if you have like hearing problem, this is going to help you with that. If you put on the pass-through option by pressing it 3 times, you will be able to hear everything very clear. So that's one feature which I like, which are available on other earphones also, which are actually pretty expensive. So that's one thing which I liked. It's not a part of mic test, but I just wanted you to know. So I'll be doing the full review now. That video will come up next, so you can see that I'll be talking about all the parameters in that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.